If you're an organization with a large IT department and security experts on staff, maybe you can manage security better than the software as a service software provider. But most small and medium-sized businesses especially don't have the money, the expertise, and the staff to be able to manage security that well. Software as a service companies can take the cost of managing security and spread it over thousands of their customers. Just three examples. One is where you keep your data. Software as a service companies usually have their data, like SmartVault, we keep our data in a SAS 70 certified data center. We've got multiple sources of power, backup air conditioning, I think lots of different internet connections in case anyone goes down. So we've got that covered. The second is just think about something as simple as backup. If you've got your data in the cloud, that data is now automatically backed up for you. The software as a service vendors are responsible for the backup as well as testing restore, making sure all that's safe. Something that a lot of small, medium-sized businesses don't even do, in terms of one thing is doing backup, how often do you do a test restore? And then finally, in terms of sharing, if you've got data inside your firewall and you want to share it with people outside your organization, setting up a VPN or making sure that data is safely available through the firewall, that takes some expertise, and that's not always easy to do, especially depending on the expertise you have in your business. But if your data's in the cloud, you can easily enable that safely to share that data, with partners, inviting them in to share your data, and the software as a service company that's housing your data, they've got the professional security people on staff to make sure that stuff is done and done securely and safely. So, in a nutshell, usually the software as a service vendors are in a much better position to guarantee the security and integrity of your data, than most, especially most small to medium-sized businesses are.